Hello and welcome to another little workshop with me, Nancy Adamek from Lena Patchwork. We specialize in English paper piecing, and today I want to show you how we make our little robin Christmas ornament. So this little robin comes as a kit. So you get your instructions, basic instructions of how everything goes together. You also get the fabrics that you need to make the ornament and some felt, which is used for making his wings. So if there are some tails of, folded fabric bits sticking out over the edges of the papers, at this stage you'll just sort of tuck them under. One end round and the bottom end round, but you would leave one of the tips, and that's your wings there. That's how the robin got his wings.